Relaxo Footwears Limited, India's largest footwear manufacturer, has strengthened its retail presence in South India with the launch of 4 new exclusive brand outlets in JP Nagar, Atibele, Channasandra and Magadi Road, Bangalore, taking the total number of stores to 429. The stores were inaugurated by popular and versatile Indian actress Ada Sharma, who joined the inauguration ceremony and interacted with consumers at the launch event. The expansion reflects Relaxo's continued commitment to delivering a more engaging, intuitive, and seamless footwear shopping experience for the modern Indian consumer. Designed in line with Relaxo's refreshed retail identity, the new outlets feature a cleaner and more contemporary design language, elevated with bold brand accents that create an inviting and easy-to-navigate shopping environment. The upgraded format combines style, simplicity, and accessibility, enabling consumers to explore products effortlessly while enjoying a more immersive retail experience. The stores house Relaxo Footwear's leading brands, Sparks, Flight, Bahamas, Mary Jane, and Boston, supported by enhanced visual merchandising that improves product visibility and discovery. The thoughtfully designed layouts feature clearly defined brand zones and categories, allowing customers to navigate seamlessly, browse comfortably, and make confident purchases.
Yes, I'm here for the brand Sparks Relaxo, and you would have seen the ad that I did before, which was on my Instagram also. For me, comfort is very important, as you all know, because when we shoot, we wear the shoes or the clothes that are given to us. But I think personally in real life, I really like to be comfortable, and Relaxo is a brand that I really enjoy wearing. As you can see, I'm wearing it right now, and I took it off and slipped it on even without actually even using my hands. So being comfortable is very important. If you followed my social media also, I'm someone who climbs rocks, chases elephants and monkeys, and likes to run around. So being in comfortable footwear is very important for me, and I'm so happy to be associated with a brand that I truly believe in and that truly is stylish, comfortable, and it has a huge collection. As you can see, all the shoes. My favorite is the one I'm wearing right now though, because I feel white goes with everything then. And I can just pack it in a bag and wear it with jeans or wear it with a dress. I sometimes even wear it with kurtis. And yeah, if you want to ask me anything, please go ahead.
So buying anything you would like to buy?
All of them, sir. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I want to wear one on each day if I could.
Yeah, Aditi, how about using the same brand in your movies and any movies you are using?
I actually do, sir. I pretty much choose, most of the brands that I choose are brands that I like to wear more than in movies in real life. Now in movies, say if I'm doing Kerala Story, I can't wear a sneaker, or if I'm doing Bastar, I can't, but probably like a movie like Commando, it's possible. Now in 1920, the footwear was different. There were no sneakers in the year 1920. So then in a movie, we are usually wearing what the character wants you to wear. But I think as real life Ada, it's like real Ada, you'll mostly see me wearing sneakers, and you'll mostly see me wearing sneakers just like this.
All your fans and other things.
Sneakers are my favorite, but there are a lot of slip-ons also, slip-on shoes. I actually even like the men's range so much. Like I wouldn't mind wearing one from the men's collection. I think they are really. I don't know. I told him. I told you guys when I saw the shoes, I thought they were so cool, and I think they slip on those the ones that can be worn in the rainy season now, since it's all raining and there are puddles everywhere. You can wear one of those on that side, one of the colorful ones. Jump into them and jump into puddles.
And you have got any personal favorite color or design?
I'm little lazy, sir, so I think white color, because I feel white color then you can wear with everything. It doesn't look wrong. If I take, but sometimes I wear like a wrong color also, it's okay. And I think the audience has accepted that Ada is like that, it's okay, and nobody shouts at me even if I do a little up and down with fashion.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
ceremony. Our endeavor has always been to produce. We are the largest manufacturer of footwear also. So our endeavor has always been to produce quality footwear which is stylish and which is democratic. So we want to